evening. Yeah, good evening and welcome. So today's topic is access list. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about everything of access list. Okay, I'm going to talk about. I will repeat some points about the standard access list. Then we will talk about extended access list and be there till end because we are going to create one awesome packet tracer lab of extended access list. Yeah, and it is my guarantee that if you are able to finish today's session, at the end of this session you will never forget what is actually extended access list is. Okay, so let me start today's session. And yes, so Nikhil Wag, after too many days, maybe Nikhil. Yeah, so good morning, good evening, good evening. Yeah, so let me wait for 5 minutes because today I started very early, like on the time, perfect on time. Yeah, so I will start with the standard access list first, and then we'll talk about extended access list. Yeah, welcome Mustafa, welcome. Yeah, are you getting my voice properly? Yes, Ningappa, welcome. Okay, so I'm going to start. Like, I don't want to waste in time, so I'm going to start our today's session. Okay, and I'm going to share my screen. Okay, wait a minute. Yes. Okay, so today we are going to talk about I'm going to start with the standard access list first. Okay, I'm going to start with the standard access list first, and then we will talk about extended. Okay, yes, good evening Pranay, good evening. And I'm having one packet tracer lab. Okay, all this is like available over here. I just got one server. Okay, and yeah, the configuration, like I will configure this server later, but right now I want to start with the standard access list. Okay, so here we have all this PC, and then I'm having router. Okay, I'm going to start with the extended access, like I'm going to start with the standard access list. Okay, so the first thing is like I'm able to ping with my server. For example, I'm going to 20.2, and I am here is like just try to ping. Yeah, just try to ping 10.2. Okay, just try to ping 10.2. So ping 192.168 10.2. Yeah, I'm getting my ping from 20.2 to 10.2. Right now I'm going to ping from 20.3, and it is like 10.2. Yeah, I'm getting ping as well. Okay, so right now there is no access list, there is no filter. Okay, so basic, like I'm able to ping from my server, from my computers to my server easily. Okay, and now I want to create access list. Okay, I want to create access list. The first thing is like required is I want to block 20.2. Okay, I want to block 20.2. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so here is I'm on router. Okay, and I'm going to create standard access list. Okay, I'm going to create standard access list. So enable config t, and the start is like, let me give name, host name r1, and now I'm going to configure extend a standard access list. Okay, so the first command is like access list. Now if you want to create standard access list, it would be like 1 to 99, and if you want to create extended access list, there will be 100 to 199. Yeah, there is one expanded edge also, and I just cleared all this in the previous session, right? So right now I want to create just standard access list. So I'm going to give number 1, and I just want to deny 192.168.20.2. Yeah, I want that this 20.2 cannot able to ping 10.2, right? So yeah, it is going through router, and I am just creating access list, so I can filter the traffic from 20.2 to 10.2, right? Yeah, so access list 1 deny 20.2. I just created one access list, and now if I am creating access list, and then I just created this, and I'm going to ping this. Yeah, I'm just repeating the last session so you can able to resonate with today's session. Okay, so just yeah, it is ping, like it is not filtering. Why? Because when you create access list, yeah, suppose if you have access list, uh it doesn't work until you apply it on the particular interface. Okay, so now I have to apply it. So to apply the interface, you have to go to the interface. Okay, for example, right now I'm having two interface. 1 second. Yeah, I'm having two interface. One is this fast ethernet 0/0, and one is like fast ethernet 0/1. Now I can apply on any like fast ethernet 0/0 and 0/1 as well. But if I want to apply on fast ethernet 0/0, I have to use in. And if you want to apply it on fast ethernet 0/1, you have to apply it on a out. So the direction, I will talk about this direction later. Just give me 1 second. 1 second, 1 second, please. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, so I'm going to explain you the direction. Yeah, I'm going to explain you the direction, in which direction we should apply this, but it is later. Right now I'm going to apply it on a fast ethernet 0/0. Okay, so to apply this access list on the fast ethernet 0/0, you have to go to the fast ethernet 0/0 first. Yeah, I'm going to that particular interface. Okay, and then the command is IP access group, and then you have to give the number. Like right now I'm having 1, so IP access group 1, and then you just give in. Okay, we'll talk about the direction. Okay, in and out. I'm going to give you proper explanation of in and out, so don't worry about this. Okay, and now access list has been applied, and let me try to ping. Okay, so now I'm trying to ping. I'm in a 20.2 right now, and I'm trying to ping 192.168.10.2. Yeah, see this, I'm getting error like destination host unreachable. It means this access list is working properly, and yeah, it is filtering the traffic from 20.2. Yeah, so if you want to verify this, you can go to show access list, and here is like, see this deny, and here you will get log like 4 matches there. So actually like 4 packets has been denied by this particular access list. Okay, working good, very well, no problem. But like I'm going to 20.3, and now I'm going to ping. Yeah, I'm going to ping 192.168.10.2. Okay, now tell me, uh can I able to get ping or not? Like ping will be successful or not? Tell me, I'll give me answer. Yes or not? Yeah, give me answer, yes or not. Whatever you have, whatever you like, whatever you understand. Yeah, don't worry about it, I want answer. Okay, it can be yes, it can be no, no problem. Just give me answer, like can I able to get ping, yes or no? Yeah, Kausal, good evening. Yeah, right now I want answer, Kausal. Okay, to say good evening. But yeah, tell me, like, can I get ping or not? Yeah, waiting for your reply. Okay, you can give any answer. Yeah, like whatever comes into your mind, give me answer. Yeah, don't sleep during the session. Yeah, Rajkumar is saying yes. Yeah, big yes, Rajkumar. Okay, anyone? Ningappa is saying yes. Okay, others? Yeah, where is Pranay? Pranay, waiting for your reply. Yeah, Musti is saying yes. Okay. Anyone? I want this answer, because when you give any answer, you can remember it forever. Okay. So you can say that at that particular session, I said yes. And today is like I was wrong, because see, I'm not getting any reply. Yeah. See this. So Nikhil is saying yes, Ningappa is saying yes, but the result is no. Yeah, I'm not getting reply. So here you have to have question in your mind that, yeah, why I'm not getting ping? Yeah, why I'm not getting ping? You are not getting ping. We are just deny 20. See this, here we only have 20.2, right? So you are not getting ping. So the reason why we are not getting ping is access list is based on the sequence number. Yeah. And at the end of each access list, okay, and at the end of each access list, there is implicit deny. Okay. Implicit means this is not visible. Yeah, but there is implicit deny at the end of each access list. So here I just wrote only one line. Yeah, I just wrote only one line, but there is one invisible line there. Okay. And this is like deny any. Okay. So let me explain you this using whiteboard, so you can able to understand properly, right? For example, in this access list, I just wrote this particular line, right? Access list. Okay, access list 1 deny 192.168.20.2. Yeah, this is the line that is available. Yeah, this is the line, this is available, no problem. But there is one invisible line, and this is like, you will not able to see this. It is called implicit deny. So there is one line, it is access list. Yeah, 1 deny, and this is what we call any. Okay, so this is the line which is invisible. Okay, which is invisible. So what is happening over here is like, this is my router. Okay, and here we have like switch, and here we have this 20.2. Okay, here we have this 20.2. And then we apply this access list over here in the fast Ethernet 0/0 in the direction of in, and there is access list number 1, right? So the traffic is actually coming. The traffic is actually coming from this particular way. Yeah. So whenever the traffic is coming over here, this access is saying, hey, wait, I have to verify. I have to verify. Okay, and it is a okay, now verify this. So now it is verifying. Hey, you are from, it is saying you are from 20.2. Okay, so if you are from 20.2, sorry, you cannot go ahead, and actually you are denied. So it is like denying the traffic from 20.2 because of this particular line, right? Because of this particular line. Is it clear? Like very normal process. Now if 20.3 is coming, yeah, 20.3 is coming. Okay, so here is like 20.3 is coming from this particular way. Okay, and it is saying that, okay, I'm here. Again, the access list will stop this. Hey, wait, I have to verify. Okay, and then it will find out that, okay, you are from 20.3. Okay, so, okay, you can go ahead. Now this line is like tick mark. Okay, you are not 20.2, so I cannot deny this, right? So, okay, now go to the next line. So it will go to the next line. And in this particular next line, here we have this deny any. Yeah, here we have this deny any. It means whatever you are, yeah, you cannot go there. And then it's like stop. So particularly I can say that 20.2 cannot able to ping because of this particular line. Okay, and 20.3 is not able to ping because of this line number 2. Yeah, and this line is always there. You cannot delete this. Okay, and this line is always last line. Okay, and this is implicit, so you cannot find it out. Yeah, you cannot find it out. Okay, so because of this particular invisible deny all or deny any, 20.2 is like, okay, we just deny them, but 20.3 or any 20.4 or 20.5 cannot able to ping to that particular server, which is like a 10.1. Yeah, implicit deny. Yes, Kuldeep Jays, yeah, you are right. So now we cannot delete this line. Yeah, we cannot delete this line. Okay, so if we cannot delete them, yeah, we have one way to almost disable this line. Okay, so what I can do is, like, this is last line. Yeah, this is like always it is in last line. Okay, so here we can say that this particular line is over here, right? So I can say access list 1 deny, and here is like any. So what I can do, I can add one more line to my access list, and I can say access list 1 permit any. Okay, so if I am able to adding like this line, what will happen if the 20.2 is coming? Yeah, 20.2 is coming. It will say from which IP address you are. It is saying 20.2, then you are deny. Okay, now if the traffic is coming from 20.3, yeah, traffic is coming from 20.3, it will find out that, okay, you are 20.2. It say no, I am 20.3. Okay, go to the next line, and when it will go over here, it is permit any. Now if the permit any is over here, yeah, it will not go to that particular line, and then all the traffic except 20.2 will be permit, right? So let me add this particular line. Okay, so I'm going to my router, and I'm going to add one more line to my access list. Okay, we have to use same access list number. So access list 1, okay, permit any. Okay, now you can verify this. So access list, and here we have this deny 20.2. It has the highest priority 10, and 20 line says like permit any. It means 20.2 would be deny, and all other can able to ping, right? So here I'm going to ping, like I'm going to verify this. Okay, here in and 20.2, let me try to ping. Okay, right? And wait. I just ping 20.2. I have to ping 10.2, right? See, I'm not able to ping, yeah, 10.2 because 10.2 is over here and it is denied. Yeah, it is denied. Now, if I'm going to ping from 20.3, see this, like I'm in a 20.3 and I'm going to ping 10.2, I'm getting ping, right? So 10.2 is a server, and now 20.2 cannot ping this server. See this, I'm in a 20.2, I'm trying to ping, yeah, I cannot. And from 20.3, if I'm trying to ping, yeah, I'm able to ping. Why? Because I just deny, yeah, I just deny 20.2 into my access list, right? So Nikhil says that means all port will be blocked in the current configuration. Yes, all port, all traffic will be blocked. Why? Because standard access list is used to filter all the traffic. Yeah, I already explained you this in the previous session. Yeah, it will block all the traffic. Yeah, for sure. If you want to block specific type of traffic, you can do that, but this is for that we have to create extended access list. Yeah, and this will be the topic of the day. Yeah, our main topic is extended access list that I'm going to explain you. Yeah, we can use standard access list, good, but the matter is, if you are creating extended access list, it would be very good, right? Like this is proper way to create access list. Right now, if you're able to understand this, if you have any question, you can type, you can ask me. And if you are under, like, if the concept of standard access list is clear, say clear, so I can go ahead. Yeah, if you have any question, you can ask me right now. And if you are thinking that the concept is clear, I can go ahead. Yeah, waiting for your reply, guys. Can I go ahead? Yeah, Kausal is saying clear. Okay, clear now. Good. So now I'm going to draw one scenario. Okay, and I'm going to give you one small explanation so you can able to understand how this system works, like extended and standard, right? Your explanation is too good. Please keep it up. And there is a lot of learn from Bhavesh. Yeah, thank you. Okay, and now going to give you one scenario. Okay, so for example, I'm having one router. Okay, so this is my router. Charles, very good, clear. Wow, we are getting new people, right? So this is my router. Okay, and my router having 4 interface. Okay, my router having 4 interface. Okay, this is like a fast Ethernet 0/0. This is fast Ethernet 0/1. This is fast Ethernet 0/2, and this is fast Ethernet 0/3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here I'm using the IP address range. Okay, so I can say I'm going to use 192.168.10.0/24 over here. So all computers, all computers over here are in this particular range. Okay, from 10.0 to 10.255. Here I'm having this range like 192.168.20.0/24. Here I'm going to use 192.168.30.0/24. And here I'm going to use 192.168.40.0/24. Right? Okay. Now let me give the name to the each and every department. For example, I'm saying this is my sales department. Okay, this is my finance department. Okay, this is my accounting department. Okay, and this is give any name. Yeah, guys, give any name. Sales, finance, accounting, and marketing. Yeah, I'm going to give name like marketing. Okay, so this is what my scenario is. Okay, and now there is a question. Okay, so this is what it is required. Like, HR. Kausal, HR is there. Good. Okay, but right now I just got my name, marketing. Okay, so let me give you one scenario. Okay, and the scenario is any computer from cells. Yeah, any computer from cells cannot access marketing. Okay, any computer from cells cannot access marketing. Okay, but they can access finance and accounting. Okay, so this is what your responsibility is. Yeah, this is what your responsibility is. Okay, any computer from cells cannot access marketing. Yeah, they cannot access marketing, but they can access finance and they can access accounting. Okay, so this is what my requirement is. Right now I want to create access list for that. Okay, and I'm going to create standard access list. Okay, I'm going to create standard access list. Okay, so now now we are not talking about only one computer, right? In this particular example, in this particular example, I explain you that I just want to block the traffic from 20.2. Yeah, so it was just a one computer from which I want to block the traffic. But in this particular condition, I'm saying that I want to block traffic from entire sales department. Okay, I want to block the traffic from entire sales department. So requirement is like little different. Okay, so now if I'm going to create this access list, okay, if I'm going to create access list, I have to create like this access list. Yeah, 1 deny. Now I want to filter, like I want to filter the traffic from the entire sales department. And here I can use the wildcard. Okay, I can use wildcard. So it would be like 192. And then I am using like 0 over here. So this is connected with this. Okay, so I can say 192 must be there. Okay, then 168. So this bits will be worked with this particular bit. And I'm saying that okay is the 0. And then I'm saying that 10. Okay, so this will work with this particular bit. Okay, so 0. Now the meaning is 0 means perfect. Like this is like a perfect bit. 0 means here is like a reverse than the access list. Okay, 0 means exactly. So I want exactly IP address 192. I want exactly 168. I want exactly 10. Okay, now fourth bit can be anything. For example, in the sales department, if I'm having any computers, it can be from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, from 10 to 255. Yeah, and I want to block each and every computer. So I can say the fourth bit can be from 0 to 255. Now here the meaning of the 255 is 8-bit. Okay, so the fourth bit can be anything. Yeah, the fourth bit can be anything. Okay, so 192 must be that, 168 is must, 10 is must, and fourth bit, yeah, fourth bit can be anything. Okay, so what will happen, like this single statement can able to block entire range of IP address. Okay, and here what I wrote is I call is like it is called wildcard. Okay, and wildcard is exactly opposite to the subnet mask, right? Subnet mask. In the subnet mask, 1 means exact and 0 means anything. And in the wildcard, we have 0 means exact and 1 means anything. So first byte is all 0, means first byte must be 192. Second byte is all 0, it means second byte must be 168. Third byte is all 0, it means it can be like 10, it must. And fourth can be anything, because here we have this 255. Now there will be the calculation. You must be aware about this, of like a wildcard. If you have a different subnet mask other than like /24. Yeah, but right now my topic is not that. Okay, my topic is not that. That's why I just going to skip this particular point of wildcard, because this will be the calculation. I will talk about this particular calculation tomorrow. Okay, so don't worry about wildcard. This is like IP addressing matter, and we'll talk about this tomorrow. And maybe if I will get time today, I will explain you this different type of wildcard. Okay, and how to calculate the wildcard. It is also required. If you can able to understand it, it is good. Now I just created this access list. Okay, now I can apply this access list. Yeah, I can apply this access list into that particular fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, and I can apply this access list on the fast Ethernet 0/3. Okay, so now you are the administrator. Yeah, you are the administrator, and your responsibility is to apply the access list. So on which interface you will apply this? On the fast Ethernet 0/0 or on the fast Ethernet 0/3? Yeah, I want answer from each and everyone who is watching this live. Okay, so either it could be fast Ethernet 0/0, or it could be fast Ethernet 0/3, or it can be any. Yeah? So if you are thinking it could be fast Ethernet 0/1, you can give answer. If you are saying fast Ethernet 0/2, it is like up to you. Give me one interface. Yeah, give me one interface, right? And here it is a requirement. Yeah, any computer from the sales cannot access the marketing, but they can access finance and accounting. Okay, Kaushal is saying fast Ethernet 0/3. Okay, let me wait for others. Yeah, others. Anyone? I just got answer from Kaushal. Okay, I want that everyone, please reply this. Okay, because this is really required. Yeah, fast Ethernet 0/3. Okay, Charles is saying fast Ethernet 0/3. Okay, Anyone? Yeah, Musty is saying 0/3. Good. Okay, good. So I'm accepting this. Yeah, I'm accepting this because I don't want to wait more, and I'm accepting this. Okay. Okay, agree with you. Okay, agree with you. I will apply this on a fast Ethernet 0/3, and if you give answer like fast Ethernet 0/3, you are all are absolutely right. Yeah. Now the command would be like this: IP access group. Okay, IP access group 1, and then I have to give the command like in or out. Yeah, I have to give the command like in or out. Now give me answer. It would be in or out. Yeah, it would be in or out. Give me answer, in or out. What will be the answer, in or out? Kausal is saying in. Okay, let me wait for others. Charles is saying in. Okay, after today's session, yeah, after today's session, you will never forget this in and out. Yeah, Ningappa is saying in. Okay, others, what about others? Yeah, there is like, I'm getting only 5 to 6 reply. Okay, so where is others? Like, give any answer. Yeah, give any answer. It doesn't matter you are giving right answer or wrong answer, right? If you are giving right answer, it is good, and if you are giving wrong answer, you will never forget the right answer. Yeah, so this is like good to answer, right? Okay, so I'm getting in, but if I'm saying that, guys, absolutely sorry, you all are wrong, and here I have to give the command out. Yeah, I have to give command out. Okay, and you will never forget this for sure. Yeah, you will never forget this for sure. Now I'm going to explain you why out. Yeah, I'm going to explain you why out. Out because just consider yourself as a router. Yeah, when you are counting anything, just consider yourself as a router. Okay, so when this particular traffic, yeah, when this particular traffic from this particular IP address, yeah, will become in the router and will be go out of the router, right? So what happened over here is, say this, if this particular computer is over here, like I'm having switch over here, and this computer is sending the data. Yeah, this computer is sending data. It is like, actually it is in. Yeah, so traffic is actually coming from this, so we can say that it is what, in. Yeah, and this is in, because you are router. Understand the process. Yeah, traffic is coming to you, traffic is going from you. Yeah, in, out. Okay, so in means traffic is coming inside the router, and out means is router, actually traffic, router is pushing this traffic away, right? So now router will decide that, okay, I have to send it to the marketing, so now it is sending. Yeah, so just understand this. What is this? This is like router is sending, so it would be out. Yeah, it would be out. So here the command would be out. Agree with me or not? Yeah, if router is, yeah, if the traffic is coming out, you cannot say like going out of the router. Yeah, going out from the router, so it's out. Yeah, Charles, you are right. Yeah, and understand this, like in and out. Okay, Even though if you are going to give CCNP exam, there are lots of questions they are asking nowadays, and people are confused about this in and out. Yeah, when you want to learn this BGP, there will be the BGP attributes, and at that time people are confused about in and out, right? So understand, like whenever you are counting in and out, yeah, whenever you are counting in and out, just consider yourself as a router, like I am router, okay, and then count this. Got my point? Understood it? If it is not clear, you can tell me not clear, I will explain you again. Yeah, because this particular system will be there for life ever, like forever, and then you will be like in trouble for each and every time, like I am not able to understand the in and out, in and out. Yeah, and I want that this concept must be very clear. Yeah, good, it is clear. So now let me ask you one another question. Yeah, let me ask you one another question. Yeah, I agree, like this is the final command. Yeah, this is the final command that we can apply. But suppose, for example, if I can say this to you, for example, if I'm saying you wait, like instead of applying this particular interface over here, yeah, here is like fast Ethernet 0/3 and IP access group 1 out. Yeah, this works, like this is true. You all said fast Ethernet 0/3, you all are right? Now I just don't want to use this. Okay, I just don't want to use this. Instead of that, I'm going to fast Ethernet 0/0. Yeah, I'm going to fast Ethernet 0/0. And if I will use this command IP access group, yeah, IP access group 1 in. Yeah. So what I'm saying, instead of applying access list on the out interface of fast Ethernet 0/3, can I apply this command over here on the fast Ethernet 0/0, and I can use like IP access group 1 in. So whenever the traffic will come from this particular source, I will deny from it over here. Okay, so can I use this? Can I use this command instead of that particular command? Can I use this? Yes or no? I just want an answer, yes or no. Yeah, yes or no. Waiting for your answer, guys. I want your answer in yes and no. Very simple. Okay. Kausal is saying yes. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Charles is saying no. Nikhil is saying yes, we can use. Okay. Mix and matches. Yeah. Mix and matches. No problem. Yeah. Must is saying no. Very good. Okay. Anyone? B players, give me answer and you will really enjoy this, right? Okay, so my answer is no. Yeah, my answer is no. And why no? Yeah, why no? Because what will happen, suppose if any traffic, yes, Charles is absolutely right, it will block all the traffic from cells into the router. Yeah, any traffic which is coming, yeah, any traffic which is coming, yeah, it has an IP from this particular range, and it will block all the traffic. Okay, the problem with the standard access list, yeah, the problem with the standard access list is, in the standard access list there is only source. Yeah, there is only source. You are not specifying what is your destination. Yeah, so the problem is, whenever someone is coming, like you are here, just understand yourself as a like policeman. Yeah, yeah, you are policeman, and you are, whenever someone is coming to you, you are just asking them, hey, what is your IP? So absolutely it will be like 10 or 2 3 from anything. Yeah, because they are coming from that particular IP, right? So what will happen? It will block all the traffic, because you are filtering the traffic, but at that time you are not telling them, like you are not asking them what is your destination. Yeah, you are not asking them. Yeah, if it would be like, if the system is like this, hey, from what is your source IP? It's a, yeah, I'm 10.2. Okay, and what is your destination? If you could ask them, like if you could ask them, my destination is 20.2. Yeah, my destination is 20.2. Yeah, you can go, because if the 10.2 is going to 40 network, I will block them. Here you are not asking them any destination, right? And if you are not asking them destination, you cannot apply over here, because it will block all the traffic. Yeah, anyone which is coming from this particular interface is are always belonging to that particular IP, and as you are not asking them destination, you will block everything. So what will happen if you apply over here? Any computers from sales, yeah, cannot able to go to the finance, even they cannot able to go to the account, and they cannot able to go to the marketing. Yeah, so if you want to block marketing, okay, you have to apply this over here, which is the nearest one. Okay, which is the nearest one. And that's why we have rule. And this rule is always apply standard access list near the destination. Okay, and this is what the standard access list rule. Yeah, and the same rules is for extended access list, and the extended access list rule is always apply extend access list near the source. Yeah, near the source. So if for example, if I'm having extended access list, yeah, if I'm having extended access list, I can apply this over here. Yeah, I can apply over here. Why? Because extended access list can ask them the destination. Yeah, extended access list can ask them the destination. So when you have extended access list, it will ask, hey, you are from 10.2. Yeah, where are you going? It will say that I'm going to 20.2. You can go. 30.2. You can go. Yeah, if we are going to 40.2, I will block. So better is like, if you can able to ask them destination, block them over here. Why? Because if you can block them over here, it will not enter into the router, and router will be like, it will be free, because router do not need to process any packets. Yeah, so before it will enter into the router, you are blocking them, right? So if you are going to create extended access list, it would be good to use, like, apply this near the destination. Yeah, sorry, near the source. And if you are going to create standard access list, always apply near the destination, right? So now the concept must be very clear. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can say good, like clear. So I can go for the next topic. Like now I'm going to create extended access list. Maybe I cannot create this, but I'm going to set up this lab that you can understand, right? So if your concept is clear, just say yes. So, or say clear. So I'm going for the next topic right now. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask me. Nikhil is saying good, clear. Okay. Okay. So done. Now we cannot able to complete. Yeah, we cannot able to complete today's extended access list. But let me, yes, always apply standard access list near the destination. Yeah, this is as per best practice of Cisco, right? And now I'm going to explain you one more thing. Yeah, this is really important. Okay, so see, if you want to configure, or if you want to understand standard extended access list, yeah, if you want to understand extended access list, create lab into the packet tracer. Yeah, packet tracer is having like a nice facility. Yeah, and you can you can use this. More than one router extended access list, how to more than one router extended access list, extended. Yeah, we are talking about this. I will talk about this one, like if you have more than one router, how can we do this? Yeah, we will do, like I will talk about this. First of all, let me start with a very simple process. Like I'm having only one router, and then we'll talk about this, right? So no need to worry about, like it is always work with the single routers. So there is no need to worry about, but we will explain, like I will explain you this, Rajkumar, don't worry. Okay. And now see this. See, when you have packet tracer, like in the packet tracer, you can configure proper extended access list lab. Yeah, proper extended access list. Like it is even working better in than the GNS. Okay. So now go to the server. Okay. And in this server, they are giving us a nice facility. See this, all these services. Yeah, all these services. So you can on HTTP and HTTPS. Yeah. So for example, I'm going to remove this access list. Yeah, I'm going to remove this access list. Enable config T, no access list, in no access list 1. Okay. Interface pass ethernet 0/0, no IP access group 1 and in, right? So just remove this, and now this 20.2 is open. It can able to ping. Yeah, it can able to ping. .2. Yeah, it can able to ping. See this here in this packet tracer lab. Yeah, you can add computers as well as you can add servers. Okay, so when you click over here, and here you will get this server. Yeah, so here is, this is my server. Okay, this is my server. Now in this particular server, you can able to configure all these services. Yeah, all these services. So I just enable on for HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, so when you go to the PC2, and when you click on the web browser and just type 192.168.10.2, yeah, you will get this link open. Okay, it means port number 80, TCP port number 80 is working. Yeah, and I will explain you this also, like how the port number works, and maybe is in the EIGRP something. In one previous video I already explained you this port number and all this, right? So yeah, like 10.2, it means when you are opening website, yeah, when you are opening website, yeah, this is the lab we have, or maybe I don't. Wait. Yeah, I have to draw it again. It would be better. Okay, so this is what we have, router. Okay, and here we have this switch, and here we have computers, right? And here is my server. Okay, so here is the IP address. Now when you use this HTTP, yeah, when you use this HTTP and type like 192.168.10.2, actually you are requesting on the server is port number 80. Yeah. Now if you open like when you are opening this HTTPS, right? HTTPS. So I can go to the PC1, and in the browser, if I'm typing like HTTPS, okay, you can say that it is yeah, you can able to open this. Why? Because in the server both services are working, right? So here we have HTTP, HTTPS. So let me like give me like, I'm going to create list. Okay, so if I'm going to use HTTP, if I'm going to use HTTP, I can say port number 80. If I'm going to use HTTPS, okay, I can say port number 443. Okay, port number 443. Okay, HTTP, HTTPS. Then I can configure DNS. Okay, then I can configure DNS. Now when you configure DNS, you can add records. So first of all, I have to start, like I have to on the service. Okay, and then I can add record. For example, DNS, we will talk about DNS letter. It is used to resolve name to IP. So just I'm going to do this, like see, I'm going to add record. like a server. Okay, and then I can say 192.168.10.2. Okay, so I'm going to add records over here, add. Okay, then I'm going to add record like router, and then 192.168.20.1 is the router's IP. Okay, PC3. Okay, 192.168.20.3 is IP address of PC3. PC4. Okay, 192.168 20.4 is the IP address of PC4. Okay, so I just configure this computer as a DNS server. Now I have to go to the 20.2, and then in the IP configuration, just add IP address of 10.2 as a DNS server. So it's 10.2, right? And then try to ping using name. Say this, like I'm going to use the ping server. Yeah, I'm getting IP address from 10.2 because this server having this. I'm ping like ping router. Yeah, I'm getting ping from 20.1. I'm saying the ping PC3. I'm getting IP address of PC3. Ping PC4. Yeah, I'm getting IP address of PC4. I'm getting like ping PC5. I'm not getting request. Why? Because in this particular entry of the DNS, there is no PC5. Yeah, we have PC4, and now I'm going to add like PC4. Okay, and here we have this 192.168.20.5. So now I just added this record also. So now I will get this ping, right? I'm not explaining you like wait. Yeah, I just added default duplicate entry. Okay, so PC5. Okay, and 192.168.20.5, right? Yeah, I'm getting from this. I'm not going to explain you this DNS. Yeah, but yeah, we like I'm saying that, okay, if you are using DNS, yeah, DNS is using port number 21, 20. Okay, and yeah, so this is like we are working on port number 80, we are working on port number 443, we are working on port number 20 and 21, 21 and 20. Yeah, all these ports are open, and we are actively sending traffic, right? Because when we are learning this extended access list, it is important to understand how it blocks the port, right? So that's why, like, if you are getting all these ports very easily in the packet tracer, it would be good to configure packet tracer over here. Yeah, DNS 53. Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, DNS is 53. Okay, I'm taking my word back. DNS is 53. Sorry. Okay. FTP. Yeah, FTP is the 20 and 21. Sorry. Yeah, FTP is the 20 and 21. Okay, absolutely sorry. And see this here, I can configure FTP as well. Okay. And one is like good thing is you can able to configure email. Thank you, Kausal. Sorry, I just forget. Like my mind was at the different level. So now here you can configure email. Yeah, so let me configure email, because email is working on the 2 port. Yeah, SMTP and POP3. Now SMTP, yeah, SMTP is based on SMTP is using port number 25, and POP3 is using port number 110. Yeah, so we are having 80, we are having 443, we are having 53. We can configure FTP, we are going to configure this 25 and 110. Yeah, so let me configure this. Okay, so here you can give domain name. For example, I'm going to give domain name like acs.com. Here you can create user. Okay, so for example, I'm going to create user like PC1. You can give any name. Okay, let me give like a user 1. Password is like I'm going to set 123. Okay, so add, and then you can configure user 2. Okay, and password is like 123. Okay, add, and here you are setting up the name like ACS. Okay, user 1, user 2. Now you can go to the PC like 20 PC2 20.2, and here you will get this email client. Yeah, you will get this email client over here. Yeah, this is like email client. Here you can like user1, okay, user1 @acs.com. Okay, incoming server, I'm going to add like 192.168.10.2 and destination is like 10.2. Okay, and here you can add username would be user1 and password is 123. Okay, so I'm going to save detail of that particular user. Okay, it is done. Now I'm going to 20.23 and here is like username user2 user2 @acs.com, IP address like 192.168.10.2 192.168.10.2, and here is like a user2 and password is 123. Yeah, save. So right now I'm having two user, right, and one is like on 20.2, one is on 20.3. Now I'm on PC2 and I'm going to send email. Okay, I'm going to send email. So just compose email. I'm sending you mail to user2 @acs.com. Okay, and hi, this is testing. Please reply. I am waiting. Okay, and just send mail. Yeah, here you will get like send success. Okay, and when you go to the 20.3, go to the email and just say here is like receive. Say I got email from user1, right? And then you can reply them. So just open this and then reply. Okay, I got your mail. Our email server is working well. Okay, and now I'm going to send this. Okay, so send success. Now I'm going to 20.2 and I'm going to receive this. Yeah, and click over here is like receive. Yeah, I got your mail. Our email server is running well. So now we have all this. Yeah, we have all this. We can configure FTP as well. Okay, so here we have like a FTP client. We can use this client. Yeah, TFTP client we have. So we can configure this, but okay, we are going to use work like all this is okay. Like I'm having too many ports. Yeah, 80.443 DNS. Again, apology. It should be like a 20, not 2021. It is my mistake. DNS 53. Okay, FTP we have 2021, but we are not going to use this. Yeah, we are not going to use this. We are going to use SMTP and POP3. Yeah, so we are all having this port. Okay, and now we don't have time, right? So what I'm doing is like I'm going to configure or I'm going to save this lab. Okay, so save lab, and I'm going to give name like access list Facebook Live. Okay, lab. Okay, so I'm going to click this and now it is saved. Okay, now we'll start tomorrow's session from that particular point and I will explain you how to configure extended access list lab using all this port number like port number 80443, and then your concept will be total clear about how this access list works because we are having lots of port. Yeah, and we can utilize all this facility. Okay, so this will be the topic of the tomorrow. We will configure extended access list properly on the packet tracer lab. Okay, so yes, I'm going to complete today's session. If you have any question you can ask me, otherwise I'm going to complete today's session. Yeah.